Springtime is here, and with summer, severe weather, and rain upon us, there will be times when we might have some rainy, stay inside kind of days. And whether you're looking for something fun to do with your children on rainy days or looking for a fun science experiment to do with young students, making a thunderstorm in a box is a fun and creative new way to learn about how the air masses within a severe storm move and propagate in the atmosphere. There will be a few things you will need to get this project underway. The first thing is a clear plastic container the size of a shoebox. The next is red food coloring. And the final thing you'll need are ice cubes made with blue food coloring. The ice cubes made with blue food coloring will have to be made in advance before carrying out the experiment. To make the blue ice cubes, fill 3 ice cube holes with water and add 2 drops of blue coloring to each cube before placing it into the freezer. Scientifically, how long it takes for the ice cubes to freeze will depend on the starting temperature of the liquid and the temperature your freezer is set at. When I carried out the experiment, I prepped the day before. Now, once your ice is frozen, you may start the experiment. The first thing you'll have to do is fill the clear plastic container 2/3 full of warm water. Now, the exact temperature will not be necessary because the ice will make up for the temperature difference. Next, you'll let the water sit for 1 minute. Then, place 1 blue ice cube at one end of the plastic container. Next, add 3 drops of red food coloring to the water at the very other end of the plastic container. Finally, watch what happens. What you are witnessing is convection at its simplest. The blue in cold water sinks, while the red, warm water rises. The 2 colors are separated. Now, for a thunderstorm to occur, positive and negative charges must be separated in a cloud for lightning to happen. The blue water represents the dense cold air mass, and the red water represents the unstable warm air mass. Now, a thunderstorm is typically caused by the interaction between these 2 air masses. This experiment shows that the warm water is being forced up as the cold food coloring water sinks. In the atmosphere, if a body of warm air is forced to rise by an approaching cold front, the ingredients are in place for a thunderstorm.